Still today, diabetic patients and their caretakers has a question whether in future they have any chance for using oral insulin. In my research, I am using a positively charged natural biodegradable polymer with a non-toxic, relatively safe negative substance. They undergo cross-linking due to the interaction between the oppositively charged chemical groups present in them. Since insulin is negatively charged, during the process of cross-linking, they get entrapped inside the cross-linked mesh. The positive amine groups of chitosan and the negative phosphate groups of tripolyphosphate undergo self-assembly reaction to yield small nanoscale particles. The formed tiny particles are separated by high-speed spin separation. Later, these small particles are coated layer by layer alternatively with positive chitosan and negative insulin for increasing the insulin load on each particles. When taken orally, in intestine, the small particles swells and erode to release the insulin. This gives a steady state insulin level in human blood. To protect the particle from the acidic environment, they can be overcoated with other polymers. We can direct these nanoparticles to different gastrointestinal targeting regions like stomach, liver, colon, and intestine for oral insulin delivery. The growing diabetic population is highly anticipating the day to take oral insulin pills as the therapy for diabetic management. Thank you.